Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our planet? We embark on an inspiring journey through the cosmos, exploring the wonders of space and the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. A new space frontier beckons, filled with promise, wonder, and endless possibilities. It's a future where humanity reaches beyond Earth, venturing further into the cosmos, exploring new worlds and unknown territories. This isn't just about rockets and robots. It's about the spirit of adventure and the quest for knowledge. It's about our dreams, our curiosity, and our place in the universe, a place we've always yearned to understand. For centuries, we looked to the stars and asked, are we alone? What secrets do they hold? Now, we ask, what will we find out there? What new discoveries await us in the vastness of space? The new space frontier is about answering these questions, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. It's about exploration, discovery, and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity, creativity, and resilience. This new age of discovery is for everyone, from the youngest dreamers to the most seasoned scientists. It belongs to the dreamers, the doers, and the curious minds asking, what if? What lies beyond our current understanding? The future of space exploration is bright, and it's closer than we think, with new technologies and missions on the horizon. Let's embark on this journey together and see what wonders await us in the vast expanse of space as we continue to reach for the stars. Get ready to be amazed by the breathtaking visuals and uplifting music that will set the tone for our adventure. Our fascination with space is timeless. From ancient civilizations charting constellations to Galileo's first glimpse through his telescope, humanity has always looked upward in awe. The 20th century marked a turning point. Sputnik's launch ignited the space race. Then came Yuri Gagarin, the first human in space. Soon after, Neil Armstrong took that giant leap for mankind on the moon. These pioneers paved the way for the International Space Station, a symbol of global cooperation and scientific endeavor. These milestones, etched in our collective memory, are just the beginning. They are stepping stones to an even more ambitious future. The new space frontier builds upon these past triumphs, pushing us to explore further, learn more, and dream bigger. The landscape of space exploration is changing. It's no longer just the domain of government agencies like NASA, ESA, and Roscosmos. Private companies driven by innovation and a spirit of adventure are entering the arena. SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic. These names represent a new breed of spacefarer. They are developing reusable rockets, building space stations, and even planning tourist trips beyond Earth's atmosphere. This surge in private investment is crucial. It injects fresh perspectives, healthy competition, and accelerates the pace of technological development. The new space frontier is a collaborative effort, with both public and private entities playing vital roles. The new space frontier is driven by groundbreaking technologies. Reusable rockets are making space travel more affordable and accessible. Advanced robotics and artificial intelligence are allowing us to explore distant planets and moons with greater precision. 3D printing holds the potential for constructing habitats and infrastructure in space, utilizing resources found on other celestial bodies. And advancements in life support systems are crucial for long-duration missions and the eventual colonization of other worlds. These innovations are not just tools. They are the keys to unlocking the secrets of the universe. They empower us to push the boundaries of human knowledge and explore the cosmos like never before. Section 5. The Challenges of the Cosmos. Obstacles to overcome. Space exploration is not without its challenges. The harsh conditions of space pose constant threats. Radiation, extreme temperatures, and the vacuum of space require innovative solutions to ensure the safety of astronauts and the integrity of spacecraft. The vast distances involved present logistical hurdles. Missions to Mars, for example, would take months or even years, requiring self-sufficiency and psychological resilience from the crew. The cost of space exploration remains a significant barrier. Developing new technologies, building spacecraft, and launching missions require substantial financial investments. Yet these challenges are not insurmountable. They are opportunities for ingenuity and collaboration, driving us to develop new technologies and push the limits of human potential. Section 6. Building a future among the stars. Our destiny awaits. The new space frontier is about more than just exploration. It's about building a future for humanity beyond Earth. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know and venturing into the unknown, driven by our innate curiosity and desire to expand our horizons. Establishing permanent bases on the Moon and Mars is no longer science fiction, but a tangible goal. These bases will be the first steps in creating a sustainable presence in space, where humans can live, work, and thrive. These outposts will serve as stepping stones for further exploration, scientific research, and resource utilization. They will be hubs of innovation, where new technologies and methods are developed to support life in these harsh environments. They will test our ability to live and thrive in off-world environments, paving the way for the eventual colonization of other planets. This will be a monumental achievement, showcasing human resilience and adaptability. Imagine future generations living on Mars, gazing up at a red-tinged sky, their very existence a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration that defines our species. These children will grow up in a world where space travel is as common as air travel is today. The new space frontier is an invitation to write the next chapter in human history, a chapter set among the stars. It is a call to all of humanity to come together and reach for the stars, to dream bigger and aim higher than ever before. Section 7. Space Tourism, Experiencing the Universe Firsthand. The new space frontier is not just for astronauts and scientists, it's becoming accessible to everyone. With advancements in technology and a growing interest in space exploration, ordinary people now have the opportunity to venture beyond our planet. Space tourism is no longer a distant dream. It is rapidly becoming a reality, with more and more people signing up for the experience of a lifetime. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are already offering suborbital flights, giving passengers a taste of weightlessness and breathtaking views of Earth from above. These pioneering companies are making space travel more accessible and exciting. As technology advances and costs decrease, space tourism will become more commonplace. The dream of traveling to space is becoming more attainable for people from all walks of life. Imagine orbiting our planet in a luxury space hotel, witnessing the aurora borealis from space, or even embarking on a lunar excursion. These experiences, once the stuff of science fiction, are now within our reach. Space tourism offers a unique perspective on our place in the universe, fostering a sense of awe, wonder, and interconnectedness. It allows us to see our world from a completely new vantage point. It's a reminder that the cosmos is not just something we observe from afar, but a realm we can experience firsthand. The future of space tourism is bright, promising unforgettable adventures and a deeper connection to the universe. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, holds a special significance in our quest to explore the cosmos. It's a treasure trove of scientific knowledge, potentially harboring resources that could be vital for future space exploration. Establishing a permanent lunar base is a key step in our journey beyond Earth. Such a base could serve as a hub for scientific research, resource extraction, and even a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond. The Moon's lower gravity makes it easier and more cost-effective to launch missions from its surface than from Earth. By utilizing lunar resources, we can reduce our reliance on Earth-based supplies, making space exploration more sustainable and affordable. Mars, the red planet, has captivated our imaginations for centuries. Its potential for harboring past or even present life, its similarities to Earth, and the possibility of terraforming it into a habitable world make it a prime target for exploration and colonization. Landing humans on Mars is one of the most ambitious goals of the new space frontier. It will require overcoming significant technological and logistical challenges, but the rewards are immense. Imagine establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars, a new branch of humanity thriving on another planet. It's a vision that inspires us to push the boundaries of what's possible and to strive for a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. As we venture further into the cosmos, we must proceed with caution and responsibility. The ethical implications of space exploration, from planetary protection to the potential impact on extraterrestrial life, must be carefully considered. We must ensure that our exploration is conducted in a sustainable and ethical manner, preserving the pristine environments we encounter for future generations. International cooperation and a shared sense of responsibility are paramount in navigating these ethical challenges. The new space frontier is not just about technological advancements. It's about evolving our understanding of our place in the universe, and our responsibilities as stewards of the cosmos. The New Space Frontier is an invitation to write the next chapter in human history. It's a story of exploration, discovery, and the limitless potential of the human spirit. It's a future where we push beyond the boundaries of our planet, seeking new knowledge, new resources, and perhaps even new life among the stars. This is a journey for everyone, a collective endeavor that transcends national borders and unites us under a shared banner of curiosity and wonder. Let us embrace the challenges, celebrate the triumphs, and never stop asking what's next. The universe awaits, and the future of humanity is written in the stars. Let's reach for them together.